Hey, welcome back to the channel. We got a paint session for you today. We are going to continue on our spark shads. These are our sparkalescent multi-layered pearled baits that replicate our bait fish, especially in clear water situation, because we're going to be doing a translucent or a green spark shad. So if it sounds like a cool pattern to you, let's go spray some paint. Okay, second in the series, we're going to be doing a spark green shad, sparkle green. Okay, again, what we're trying to get is multiple layers of pearls to really bring out the different colors that can show up in a shad. This one's going to be kind of a green based. We're going to first lay down some eye candy glimmer ghost. If you haven't tried the eye candy powders, they are exceptional. So we're going to spray that through a transparent base, and we're going to start laying down some different colors. So let's get to it. I don't know if that camera's picking that up, but these ghosts, this glimmer green, these ghosts, and I'm just getting into the eye candy, but it really provides some unique flash. So next up, we need a dark base for our back. We're going to just go with a gloss black like we did on the last one, just over the spine of this bait. A little bit getting a little cold here in Oklahoma. Okay, so we just want to mist the back. I'm not looking for a lot of coverage. Mist that back with that aluminum fine, and that just helps this candy really pop. Didn't hit the sides of that with black. So candy green, and you want to just build these candies. As these candies are basically just a dye. So it takes multiple layers and it allows you to work up to the color that you prefer. And with that silver base underneath it, obviously it's going to change a little bit of how this color is perceived. Get these baits turned around here where I can do the belly and the sides, and we just got a few more things to add to it and we are ready to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and again, I want just that belly section to lose that transparency. Most of your bait fishes, especially your gizzard shad, thread fin, they can be very translucent looking on their sides, but their bellies are generally a solid color. And I want these to be as lifelike looking as we can get. Up into that gill plate area, a little of that pearl white, a little bit up on the sides. just slightly. Come back with a shed spot. That is going to provide some flash. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, like I always say, especially on these translucent baits, but as you rotate that bait, you can sure see that glimmer green. I may want just do a little bit more of the blue on the sides. I like to pick up just a little bit more of that. Green spark shad. You know, if you can see some of that in the camera angle there, it has got a real nice color change to it. Not as good as when we get into our color shift paints that we're going to add to this particular paint regimen as well down the road, but really, really nice looking, real natural looking bait. This pattern is going to be really good in your clear water situation. So anyway, guys, let me know what you think of these patterns. Again, kind of a new lineup based off of just some real natural looking shads and how they show different colors when they're especially swimming in schools and darting, you know, and they're getting that sun reflection. And I know just snagging a couple on my jerk baits here in the last week, they got a lot of different colors in it. So we got more to come. We're going to make us some more spark shad. So if you're liking these videos, please give me a thumbs up. Like and share to your heart's content. And we will see you next week with Green Country Custom Baits.